Okay, as we have discussed earlier, capacity. What is the capacity? The amount that a container can hold is called capacity. The amount that a container can hold is called capacity. Here are some pictures that you can see on your books as well as on the screens. Amount that a container can hold. Look, how many things, how many cars, how many jars, how many food or nuts, or how many paints. So these are our container. These are our container. You can watch on the screen. These are our container because it has capacity to hold things. It it has capacity to hold things is called capacity. So we cannot add more than its capacity, more than the ability of container has. If you'll put more things other than its capacity, what will come? It will come out. It will fall. It has the capacity to hold things that covers the container. More than the container, it will not have capacity to hold it. The container will not have more capacity to hold it, to take it. So the capacity, if this capacity is finished, it will not going to hold it. Capacity. What is capacity? The amount that container can hold. So here is an example. Cars in the parking area. If you have a look in this parking area, there is much more capacity. If I say you can park more cars here, other than this, no, you cannot. You cannot park properly because it the capacity is full. To capacity to have these much cars is finished. There is no other space, no other space for other car to hold. Can park the car where it has capacity or a space. If I say you can park another cars here, more 10 cars, so you cannot because capacity is full. The amount of car place to hold the cars is full. You cannot find add any more cars here. So it has capacity to hold more 10 cars. No, it does not have a capacity because there is no space. So here is the food in the container. Then you feed them. So here are some other paint containers. There are some bigs and some are small containers. Big containers hold more, small containers hold less. In the small container, we can add less amount, but in the big container, we can add more amount. So we have another next page, ordering capacity. Ordering capacity means to arrange them, from least to most or from most to least. We are going to order the container in a sequence from bigger one to the smaller one, from the container that holds most to the container that holds least container. So from least container to the more container, vice versa. We can make it like hold from holds capacity, the container that holds most to the least, or the container that holds least to the most. Okay, which holds most? First of all, we are going to put the bigger one, means hold most, which has more, which has most, which is bigger than every other. So we are going to put it the first one, then less than, then less than, then the least one. Then we are going to put the least one. We can put the least one. Okay. First, we are going to put pink one, then yellow, then green, and then red one. Because it holds the least, because it holds the least. Okay, next. Understood, boys? Now we are going to put it in the order which hold least. First we were doing which hold most. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do from least to most. We are going to start from least to most. From least to most. So see the picture. What will come here? The yellow one. Yellow one will come here. Here you will put. Then we will put light blue. Okay. After this, green or blue, we'll choose green. So you will choose wait just a minute. We are going to use this one. Okay. After that, we have the blue one. So what you are going to do, add the blue one. So we move from least to most. Okay. Here we move from least to most, and in the first we move from most to least. Okay, which holds most to the least one. That was our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for your participation. Take care and have a nice day.